Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to learn about how you can change your address or the country in the TalkTalk app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is open the TalkTalk app. Once you tap it open, it will take some time to boot itself and redirect you to its homepage. Here you need to click on the Me option, which will redirect you to its profile. Now simply click on your name and you will end up in this page where you can find the edit option. So as you click it on, you can find the country option where you need to press on and you will be redirected to the drop down menu. Here you can select a country of your preference and tap on OK. So now you can see that your address has been officially changed on your TalkTalk account. So this is how you change your address on TalkTalk account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.